If OneDrive is acting up in Windows 11, freezing, not syncing, or just not opening the way it should, a quick reset can often fix it fast. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset OneDrive in Windows 11 step by step, and it only takes a minute or two. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, on your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This opens the Run box, which is where we can launch the OneDrive reset command directly. Now, in the Run window, copy and paste this exact command. Make sure you type it exactly as shown, because this needs to point to the OneDrive program installed on your computer. C:/program, files /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive.exe/reset. Once you've pasted that in, press enter on your keyboard. At that point, OneDrive will begin resetting in the background. You may notice the OneDrive icon disappear for a moment, and that's completely normal. Now just wait about 1 to 2 minutes. Don't rush this part, because OneDrive may need a little time to clear its settings and restart properly. After the wait is over, OneDrive should usually reopen on its own, but if it doesn't, that's okay too. To open it manually, press the Windows key and type OneDrive into the search bar. When Microsoft OneDrive appears in the results, click it to launch the app again. If OneDrive still doesn't reopen automatically, this manual step will bring it back and let it reconnect to your account. Once it opens, give it a moment to sign in and start syncing your files again. In many cases, this simple reset is enough to fix sync issues, update glitches, and stuck OneDrive behavior without needing to reinstall anything. If your files were paused or not showing correctly before, check again after the reset and see if syncing has resumed normally. And that's it. You've successfully reset OneDrive in Windows 11. It's a quick fix, but it can solve a lot of common OneDrive problems. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next Windows tutorial.